Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex bringing you a short introductory video for the new color ribbon surfing system. And I'm just going to point out the major features of this new trading system and show you how easy it would be to trade and how extremely profitable it is. The basic premise is that we're going to be trading between major and minor key levels the same way that the bankers and the institutions trade. So on our chart, we have the major key levels and the minor key levels already drawn using a special indicator that comes with your fully loaded template. So you can see the dashed blue lines. This is a minor key level. They're spaced 25 pips apart. The dashed magenta key level is a major key level, and the next major key level is 100 pips away. So each of these key levels are 25 pips apart, and the major key levels, which are the dashed magenta lines, are 100 pips apart. And the major bankers and brokers, they're not scalping for 5 or 10 pips at a time. They're trading for a minimum of 25 pips at a time. Of course, they trade differently than we do. They trade with bigger lot sizes, and because they're so good at trading, they can use small stops, but they're trading between the major and the minor key levels. Every 25 pips they're taking profit. So you can see where the price always sort of stalls a little bit around a price level. And an example here is the price stalling a little bit around this dashed blue line. It stalls a little bit around this dashed major key level, stalls a little bit around here, a little bit here, stalls here, stalls for 2 bars here, stalls quite a bit around this one, and has stalled quite a bit around this minor key level. So you know that the traders that are trading for the major banks and all the major institutions, they're trading between these key levels, and that's what we need to be doing also. So this trading system is geared towards that, and the rules are very simple. You have a white line that crosses the black line, and down here you have a volatility window. So when the color bars agree, the colored trend bars agree with the colored volatility bars down here, and you have a green dot, then that would be your entry. So here you have, back here you have the white line crossing the black line. It's an aqua up bar. Down here would be your first entry. We're in a 1-hour chart, and you have an aqua volatility bar with a green dot. Green dot means go. So when you see this kind of setup, then that's your entry, and you know that your next target is going to be the next key level. And sure enough, it didn't take very long for it to hit the next key level. Then there was a minor retracement. The trend is still long, and here you have another entry to go long again. So when you would be watching the volatility window, when the volatility bar color matches the trend bar color and you have a green dot down here in the volatility window, that's your entry signal to go long again. And depending on where you got in here, this would have been your first target. Then there's some stalling a little bit, then it hits the next target, a little bit of stall, and it just keeps going up. And there's different ways you can manage the trade. You can just keep moving your stop loss up from 25 pips to the next 25 pip level, and then keep moving your take profit up to the next 25 pip key level. Just keep moving your stop and take profit lines up 25 pips at a time. That way you can manually trail this trade to get the most out of it. Starting back here when the trend started, this was not a full 25 pips, but this was. So you've got 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175 pips, and can't tell how many hours this is, but that was a couple of days trading probably. And let's look back here. Here was another nice short entry. The white line crossed the black line. You have the same colored bar with the green dot. Here is a colored RSI line for further confirmation. So you jump in short. Here's your first target. And look at how it hit the second target, just right on the money. And so if you have your targets, your take profit on these minor key levels, you can hit them every single time. Here's a long entry. Here's your first target met. Here's your second target met. And then a pullback down to this key level. Some consolidation here, and then you go long again, and here's your first target, here's your second target. You can almost always meet 1 or 2 targets at a time, but if you have a nice long drop like this, here's a great short entry. You've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key levels going short before the trend reversed. So you can play this in the 5-minute time frame all the way up to the 4-hour. However, I think the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour get you the most pips. It's very simple, very easy. Anybody can do this, even a newbie, as long as you know the MT4 platform well enough to trade on it. And this is also great for veteran traders because we're learning how to trade like the pros trade. So I highly recommend that you pick this up and go ahead and use it and practice with it. And I know you're going to enjoy it very, very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get a lot of good trades for you.